Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting finish. So you can see here I had all of my drills in my bottle case. This is one of my last kits from Craftibly, and once again, gotta say, I love their kits. I so wish they would go back into business. Completely understand why they wouldn't, but wish they would. So this kit had 9 ABs. This whole back row here is nothing but ABs, and I have lots of ABs left over of some of the colors, so I'll be saving all of those. And then I had plenty of drills for all of the rest of them. The only weird thing that I will note is that some of the symbols were a little bit backwards. So for instance, let me see if I can remember which ones. This symbol here is this little, I call it like TV antenna or whatever, and it's red with a black symbol, but on the canvas, the symbol was actually white. And it was that way with several other ones as well. I'm trying to remember which ones now. This particular one, which is actually really hard to see, is like this dark kind of, I don't know, sideways headphones or something. It looks almost like a C, but they had a C back here. This one was blue with this black little C or whatever on it, but on the canvas it was white. So I had several like that, which was a little bit strange. So I don't know if it was something that they had to do because of someone just made a mistake. This one was the same way. Instead of being a little black arrow, it was a white arrow. So thankfully, nothing else really came close to that. The symbols, so I knew that I was using the right one. And actually, it wasn't until I was about halfway through my first section that I was like, wait a minute. But after I went through and looked at everything, I realized, oh, there's no duplicates of anything, so it's okay. So I had plenty of drills of every color to finish anything, nothing that I ran out of, so good to go there. And the other thing that I love about Craftibly, almost no trash. I mean, I had some obviously there that had holes in them. I had several of them that had like little weird dark spots on them. But for the size of this kit, which is probably roughly 50 by 60, 50 by 70, this is all the trash that I had, which is amazing as far as I'm concerned. So let me grab the kit and we'll look at it. And I will, as always, take a B-roll of this so you can see everything up close, but I'm so super happy with the way this turned out. I think the 9 ABs was plenty, and I'm glad I didn't add in any more. So we have a purple AB and this flower up here. You can see the yellow AB. There was a white AB, a green AB. There's a blue AB up here by this one. So just, and I love all the little pinks, the different shades of pinks that were in some of them. And then, of course, we've got this big butterfly in the middle. There's another butterfly down at the bottom. And as I'm looking at these, I've got a couple of drills that I'm seeing that have holes in them. So I may go back and just replace those really quickly. I'll pop them off with tweezers and put them back in with drills that don't have holes. Hopefully, when you look at the B-roll that I do, I didn't miss anything. I did remember to go over it and make sure that I got out any spots that I might have missed, and I only missed one drill, so I'm pretty happy with that. But this really didn't take me very long. Once I actually sat down and started working on it, about 25 hours, I think, is all that it took. Really super happy with it. I don't know why I don't buy more florals. Not really hugely into the butterflies, but just the different colors of the pansies and everything, and there was enough of a mix between the confetti and the multi-placing to keep me happy. So obviously, like here on the butterfly where the little dots and everything are, was quite a bit of confetti. But then you get into the flowers, and even though it is confetti because there is obviously some shading and things that need to happen, it still was enough multi-placing mixed in that it kept me busy and entertained. So super happy with the way this one turned out. And once again, just if you missed Craftibly, I'm so sorry. I just love their kits. I've got 2 left. And I'm probably going to hang on to both of them until I'm almost down to where I want to be in my stash because I just love them. I know for sure one of them I have is a round, which is, I think I mostly bought rounds from them. I don't even know for sure if they sold squares because I think everything I've done from them has been a round. But absolutely love their rounds. The drills are amazing. Like I showed you, almost no trash. This one I love. Such gorgeous colors. I wish the butterfly was actually a little bit more colorful, but that's okay. It was supposed to be a particular kind of butterfly, so. But all of the flowers here, kind of the yellows and golds and the purples and the pinks, love, love, love. So let me know in the comments below, have you ever done a Craftibly? Do you have any left in your stash? I know somebody told me, I think when I was unboxing this one, that they still have 7 Craftablys, and I was so jealous because at the time I only had those 3 and now I only have 2. So I think I'm going to concentrate on doing some of my more, what I call my one-off kits, where I've only got one diamond painting from a particular company, like the De Los Muertos that I just unboxed that I'm going to be doing for Drills and Chills. That's the only kit I have from the Mermaid's Cavern. I have one from Jada Gem Shop, one from Make Market, and one from Francesca's Studio Arts that I haven't unboxed yet. So I think, I don't know, I'm debating whether or not I want to do one of those other one-offs or whether I want to start a Christmas themed one. And I think I'm leaning towards the Christmas themed one for our holiday paint along in October. So that is coming up quick. If you're going to be doing Drills and Chills, hopefully whatever you have will also work for our holiday paint along. Halloween does count as a holiday, but I think I'm going to focus on doing something Christmassy as well. I don't think my Drills and Chills kit will take me forever, so getting a little bit off track there. But yeah, just love Craftably. Love how this one turned out. It's so nice and colorful. In love with the flowers. I should buy more flower kits. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.